So let's get started. First take a square sheet of paper like this and fold it like this. Now open it. Now fold these two edges to meet at the center. Now fold the item in half downward. Now open it. Now do it like this. See, it's like a home. Now do it like a diamond. See, now it's like a diamond. Now open these two parts. So now let's color it. So now the windmill is ready for display. So friends, hope you all like this video. We'll meet you in another interesting video. So friends, if you want to subscribe to this channel, click the subscribe button and click the bell icon. And start watching Inside Classroom channel. Thank you. Bye bye.